Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Sheets templates, productivity walkthrough. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in Google Sheets, look for the Template Gallery option at the top right corner. Click on Template Gallery to expand the available templates. Browse through the different categories to find a template that fits your needs. If you're looking for a specific type of template, use the search bar to narrow down your options. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open a preview. Take a moment to review the layout and features of the template. If it meets your requirements, click on the Use this template button. The template will then open in a new sheet within Google Sheets. You can start customizing the template by entering your data into the designated fields. Feel free to modify any sections that require adjustments to better suit your project. Use the menu options to format text, add colors, or include charts as needed. If you need to share your customized sheet, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of those you want to share the template with or generate a shareable link. Adjust permissions to determine whether they can view or edit the document. After configuring the sharing settings, click Send or Copy link as appropriate. Explore further by checking the File menu for additional options like downloading or version history. Once you have everything set, you can utilize your customized template for ongoing projects. Repeat the process whenever you need to use a different template in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.